Ooh. Hey, belligerent. Hey, Wolf. Hey, everybody's just in here quick today. Good morning, everybody. We're doing okay. We are starting with a little bit of leg press. But yeah, we're here. We made it. There. Cool. Alright. And now we raise it up each time a little bit. Oh. Oh. But how are you doing there? Well, how are you both doing? Oh. Like I say, I'm also Wolf. We're getting close to that time of year again.
And you know that I need you. I want it bad, you bad romance.
Oh. Oh. Like I say, we're getting close to birthday time again, where I'm going to do another shirt / merch giveaway. Oh. One more. All right. Mix that up. Wait. So, I should also probably write down this. Oh. Okay, yeah, now you can hear me. So we're doing 90, 180, 270, and then 350. 400 on the last one. Perfect. Ah, yes. Yeah. Good. Yeah, I remember. Yep. It's goes from dying every 5 seconds to I have an industrial complex of dinosaurs doing everything and like I'm on the beach with like futuristic tech armor and Mai Tais or something. Oh. Yeah. I say I gotta finish up Pal World one of these days. Which not exactly, but they're pretty close analogs. All right. All right. Oh, yeah, one more. Ugh. All right. Ooh. Nice. Let me see who it is here. 1 second. Oh, you got that? Oh, Belligerent. Thank you for that subscription. And enjoy those emotes. Probably due for a refresh on those too. Alright, last set. We're at 50. Whew. Oh. All right. So I'm thinking I'll start up a giveaway here early next week for any of the gym times or anything that I fair enough. I'll read the rest of it here in a minute. After I might help if I utilize the machine correctly.
Young man, there's no need to feel down. I said, young man, pick yourself off the ground. I said, young man, 'cause you're in a new town. There's no need to
One more.
young man, there's a place you can go. I said, young man, when you're on the dough, you can stay there.
We're just gonna sit here for a minute. All right. Ah, sure. Oh yeah, well, that'd be fine now. All right. Well, then you'll get to watch me achieve cardio.
What do you wanna be? I said, young man.